In this video, you will meet Ethan. He will guide you to make a fantastic cheese sandwich. Let's get started.
Hi friends, I'm Ethan. Wow, the sandwich looks so delicious. I had the chocolate drink. Now I would like to make a cheese sandwich.
How to make a fantastic cheese sandwich. Ingredients: a slice of cheese, 2 slices of bread, some lettuce, some butter.
Oh, I've got this shopping list. Slices of cheese, bread, lettuce, butter. Let's learn how to make cheese sandwiches. Are you ready with all the ingredients? The recipe. 1. Put butter on the bread. 2. Put the cheese on one piece of the bread. 3. Now put some lettuce on the cheese. 4. Put the other slice of bread on the lettuce. 5. Cut the sandwich into 2 pieces. Now it's your turn to read.
Ready for a quiz? Which shopping list is the fantastic cheese sandwich recipe? Is it list 1 or is it list 2? What's missing? Suggest 2 foods that have got cheese in it. Do you like cheese sandwiches? Do you like cheese sandwiches? If yes, you should try to make a cheese sandwich.
Thank you to Ethan for giving us such a fantastic recipe. You can try at home.
Thank you again to 383 subscribers. I'm so excited because you are really enjoy watching my videos. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share the videos to your friends. Thank you again. Goodbye.